Auntie Time! Ang topic ngayon, ang episode natin ngayon is called Salamin Salamin.
Which means?
Mirror, mirror.
Okay. Buti na lang, tinagalog mo, naiintindihan ko siya. Ang ibig sabihin nun is like a reflection.
Reflection of where we are right now and, just talking to our younger selves. No?
Okay. So ano nga yung mga gusto nating sabihin sa younger selves natin now that we're at the stage?
Yeah, because, they say, no, when you reach 50, you pretty much have right about 26 more years. And 26 years is, dati, when you're
May
10,
konti na tayong alam.
oo, yung pag 10 years old ka, parang ang 26 is so far away.
Correct.
But 26 is like, double na of my life.
Ang galing mo sa math, ha?
Ang galing mo sa math.
Kasi,
Hindi mag-graduate na lang,
So,
may
ano-
M1 pa rin ako.
so ano nga? Ano nga?
So, I think this episode is all about us talking to our younger selves.
And maybe our listeners can benefit from this as well. Maybe.
Maybe yes,
So,
maybe not.
let's see.
Yeah,
Hear
let's
us
see.
out.
So,
In terms of your health right now, do you think you're healthier? You know what to do with your health right now as opposed to before? Kasi nung bata tayo, ante, kung ano-anong pinagagawa natin
wala
na parang
namang calorie
feeling
counting
natin.
nung bata tayo. Wala naman
Correct.
tayong mindfulness.
Mga diet, mga deficit na
Calorie
yan.
deficit, wala namang
Wala namang
ganon.
ganon.
Although, I have to say, I've always been active all my life.
Yes, that I know.
So,
Athletic
athletic ako. And maybe, I got in myself into sports. Unknowingly, my parents really see me as batang kiti-kiti. So, they have to get me into sports. So, I'll be so tired. That
Para?
para
Talaga
lang huwag
pinagod ka
mag-drugs
nila.
ba? Parang bakit, may isip ba
But parang na-affect ka pa din. Tarot? Hindi, joke lang.
Before, I think, I was into sports, I felt, to be sexy. And then I realized, when you're young, it's effortless to be sexy. Kasi, automatic na sa katawan mo yun eh. Very little, I'll eat less, I'll work out, I'll get the waistline that I want. Right now, no more. I work out simply because I know it's an investment for my old lady body. Because I want a quality of life when I'm 70 or 80 like my mom. Like, I want to enjoy my twilight years with my grandkids, not be a burden to my family by breaking my hip.
Somehow, that's related to your perimenopausal stage. But
Yes.
what we're saying is, yung gusto mong
Sabihin
i-impart
dun sa 20.
sa younger self mo or even in the younger audiences na nakikinig sa atin, ang takeaway ko na sinabi mo, ante, is create that habit of exercising.
Not to be sexy, but
Not
to be
to
strong.
be sexy, just to be strong. And kasi yun din naman yung gagawin mo
Exactly.
to the stage. Is
Mag-invest ka
that
na.
tama
The
ba?
sooner you invest
Oo.
physically, because
Kasi
cliche as
habit
it
yan
may
eh.
sound.
Kung ngayon mo lang siya gagawin,
strong is the new
mahihirapan ka
sexy.
eh.
It's not
Correct.
skinny is the new sexy. It's strong.
Correct.
To be a strong woman mentally and physically.
So yun.
Is the new
So
sexy.
it's really that. Kailangan
oo.
ma-create na yung habit na yan, bata ka pa lang.
Health-wise. Health-wise.
Oo.
Ikaw,
But going back to what you said, na ngayon na perimenopausal tayo, we need to build muscle, di ba? Yun yung sabi ng
we
mga
need
doctors
to
natin.
build muscles.
Why?
Because estrogen plays an integral part in our bone density. Osteoporosis. We easily break bones when we're older. So, ngayon, there is still time, especially if you start younger. There is still time to build that muscle mass and your bone density to be there so that as we age, we protect ourselves and there will be quality of life. Kasi perimenopause, I don't know. I try to my best to eat well, supplement well, work out well, but there will still be morning where I just feel like shit. Diba? Parang ang sakit ng katawan
Yes,
ko.
nafe-feel ko rin yan.
Kahit na mindful tayo sa sleep hygiene.
Mm-mm.
Gusto ko at least 7 hours, 8 hours.
Pero nagigising pa rin tayo in the
Na
middle
mga
of the
3
night.
o'clock in the morning, why am I awake?
It's still part of menopause
So siguro
stage,
sa batang babae ko rin, enjoy nyo yung sleep and create that healthy
Habit.
sleeping hygiene and habit.
Correct. I agree.
Oo, kasi pag bata tayo at 20, we feel invincible no? Like, puyat ako at 3 hours sleeping, I'll work and I'll party and I'll work out and I will still wake up beautiful and fresh.
Ngayon, hindi
Age
na.
natin, 3 araw na akong tulog Wasak pa rin.
Oo.
Ang pangit ng skin ko.
We have to rely on skincare now.
Yeah.
Kung ako naman, reflection, no? So, as you mentioned, siguro, if you were to impart nga habits, creating habits, physical or to be strong, ako naman, everything impartial. When you're young, hindi yung kain.
Laklak ng...
So, ang nangyayari, na hindi na ako natigil sa kain, dire-diretso. So, everything has to be in moderation. Fitness, gimmick, night out, and kasi ngayon,
That's right.
Kanina, we mentioned, kahit lumabas tayo ng lumabas every night when we were younger.
That's
Maganda
right.
ng balat natin, maganda yung gising natin. But ngayon, parang, if I go to the grocery, yun na yun, that's it. Hindi ko na kayang lumabas.
Yes.
So, yun nga, we enjoy but in moderation. When you were younger, siguro yun dapat yung ginawa ko. Kasi pagoda din ako nung bata ako.
Pagod ka na, bata ka pa lang?
Pagoda din ako sa dami rin ng activities. Lalo ka na. You have sports, you have school,
You have family.
you have family, diba? So, nakakapagod din yung mga ganong
Oo, but
activities.
the gift of being young is you have that energy.
Correct.
Ngayon, we have the financial resources. We have the time. But we don't have the energy.
So,
Diba?
enjoy and
Enjoy. Siguro ako naman, sige, enjoy nyo yan. Tama. I mean, as
in moderation.
all things in life, balance and moderation. Pero, you'd be surprised when, dear 20-year-old self, 50 is very interesting. Diba? Like, lahat ng ginagawa mong rockstar ka ngayon, may kalalagyan ka. Diba?
Meron siyang, is it a result of something good or bad? No?
It could be a good thing, pero, well, in correlation to the prior menopause journey natin, kahit na minsan, you eat right, you eat well, you work out well, you take care of yourself well, wala kang control, gigising ka lang, biglang, bakit ako vini-vertigo? Diba?
Yes, correct.
Bakit ako may frozen shoulder, nag-stretch naman ako? Or bakit hindi ako makatulog? Or ba't ako nagigising ng 3 in the morning at hindi na ako makabalik sa tulog? That happened to you, right?
Not the frozen shoulder, yes.
Oh, you get
Malala
there.
yung sa'yo. But yeah, sleeping, like insomnia, or waking up in the middle of the night. Of course, the basic cut flashes and all that. Yon. Kaya parang, na-realize ko, sana pala when I was younger, I did the habit already of exercises. Kasi wala akong ganong activity.
Ganun pa rin, mag-exercise ka pa rin, girl. Kasi ako, may exercise
Kayo
naman
nga.
ako. Ganun pa rin.
Pero I'm forcing myself now, as opposed to you, when you were younger, sanay ka na eh. So you build that habit when you were younger. So that's what we're telling them.
But it's never too
And
late
then,
to still pick it
totoo
up.
naman. But
Never
it's
too
going to
late,
be,
yeah.
for me, it's difficult.
Mag-rocking ka muna, sinasabi ko sa'yo, mag-rock.
Ano nga ba yung rocking?
Rocking is the weighted vest walking.
Naku, yun na nga yung sinasabi ko eh.
Maniwala ka,
Weighted,
ante.
ang dami na nga pabigat
Marami
sa
nang pabigat sa buhay.
Dadagdagan
Maglalakad ka
natin
pa
yun.
ng may pabigat. But, for me, it works. I used to I enjoy running before.
Yes.
And cycling.
And bike, yeah.
Yeah, but right now, kasi mas pinipace ko yung day-to-day activities ko eh. So sa akin, rocking works before I lift.
And lifting. Okay.
And lifting. 3 times a week.
Okay.
And
so
then you
that's-
can go on with
medyo
your life.
hindi ko pa siya na absorb.
You'll get there.
My husband and I, naglalakad-lakad lang kami. It's a good start.
Alam ko na
Baby
i-gift ko sa
steps
inyo sa
lang.
Pasko.
Pabigat.
Pabigat.
Bibigay mo sa amin. Pabigat. Sige.
Yes.
Pero yun nga, naglalakad-lakad kami. It's a good start for us.
Yes. Dear 20-year-old self.
In terms of love. And probably choosing
Okay, ganito interesting ha. Kasi mga koliyala tayo.
dati.
Dati. Sanay tayo. Ako I mean, it's an open book. I had the bi-curious face. I thought I was a lesbian. I'm not. I like putotoy. But I tried, right?
You tried.
Yeah. Ngayon kasi, it's very open. Like, ang dami na ngayon.
So parang nagka-self-discovery ka at that time.
Oo.
And then you discovered that you like men
After all.
after all.
Oo.
So
So,
meaning
dear
you've tried
20-year-old self,
Oo.
it's okay to be, or 15. Actually, early teenager ako nagkaroon mga high school, di ba? Wala naman tayo nakikitang boys no dahil puro girls school tayo, di ba? So, ang crush mo na lang yung ka-schoolmate mo.
Na
or
mukhang
yung-
lalaki.
Na mukhang lalaki, pwede ka na, di ba? Pero, and I thought I was gay. I wasn't pala. So, ngayon, yung
Paano mo nalaman
na ano?
na hindi pala? How did you
Eh, di nung naglandi
realize?
na ako, girl.
So nung nakakita ka na
ng
ng
lalaki. Na-type ako, na mistiso. Oh my God, ba't ako type nito? Eh, mo nga akong lalaki. Diba? Ang weirdo. But, so, I guess,
So the difference is
our 20-year-old self, not just my 20 or my 15-year-old self, if you're uncertain of who you are, it's okay. But don't let your feelings define you. Okay na, ay, lesbian pala ako. Maybe you're not. Pero hindi ko sinasabing you are yung non-binary na parang 1,000, ilang...
hindi ko na naiintindihan. You have to
Eto na,
explain that to
eto
me.
yung makakancel na ako eh. At dito,
Ano
naramdam ko na.
non-binary na to?
Hindi ba yung gender ba yon? Or... Diba? Ang
Ang
dami ng gender, hindi na lang babae at lalaki. Meron ng non-binary, merong whatever. Ang dami na nila.
Okay, and you're saying it's okay to explore just like
It's
what you
okay,
did?
but don't define yourself na she, her. Tapos tomorrow, they, them na ako.
Stick to one, is that what you're saying?
Oo, stick to the biological.
The biological or to
in between your
whatever it
legs.
is that they feel
Well,
like?
you know what? You can have a vagina and like girls, and that's fine. Or a vagina and like girls and boys, that's fine. Diba? Pero yung, eto na, malapit nyo na ako i-cancel. Ramdam ko na.
Wala akong ma-share masyado.
I would always,
Okay.
dear 20 or 15-year-old self, it will change. So, don't declare that I am this for the rest of my life.
Oo, and you're forced to be that.
Oo. But stick to your gender at birth.
Yan ang recommendation.
Kung kifi yan.
Okay.
Pero kung gusto mo rin ng kapwa kifi, carry pa rin.
Okay.
Diba? Or tomorrow gusto mo notes, nota naman. No problem.
Okay.
Diba? Pero wag kayong...
So what you're saying is, hindi na siya kailangan labelan? Whatever it is that you, if you're open to.
You're just a woman who likes men or women.
So yung mga sinasabi nating,
Either you're, woman, lesbian, or bisexual.
so that's it. That's
it, yeah.
Wala akong masyado mo-contribute because
Conservative ka.
I don't know anything about, a lot of things about that. So, yeah.
Hindi ka makakancel. Ako, cancel na. Sa susunod na episode, di ba na po ang kanyang co-host?
Hindi. So that's about
Love life.
But
Love
about
life.
life. Love ang sinasabi natin. About love.
Ikaw kanina may mini-mention ka sa akin about choosing your partner in life, no? Ano
Oo.
yun?
Sige. So, dear
Dear-
20-year-old self, choose your partner that can help you go through the stages. Apparently, dito lang natin na-realize, ang dami palang stages ng women, di ba? As I mentioned in the previous episodes. For women, there's puberty, magme-mens ka, napakahirap
Childbearing
din,
years.
manganganak ka, may postpartum pa in some cases. So, you have to choose a partner that will
Natitiisin ka.
na
in all of the
kakayanin
three
lahat ng
stages.
changes in your hormones, kasi mahirap na wala ka pang partner na
Pero it's
supportive.
not enough na titiisin ka.
Right?
Kailangan
Supportive.
katulong mo sa buhay, support.
Yes, hindi yan siya ako for my husband for instance, no. So when I gave birth, hindi siya parang ikaw na lahat because you're the mom. Hindi, hati kami. You know what, yung style namin. Anything out, siya ang in charge. Anything in, ako yung in charge. Meaning, in na breastfeeding, feeding, anything to do with siya naman out, wee-wee,
Oops.
poo-poo, and all that. Hati kami doon. So, pareho kaming contributor in that
Child rearing
stage. Because
tasks.
pareho tayo doon eh. So, not a lot of Filipino men.
Before, siguro
that,
meron pang remnants ng Gen X na ganun. Pero I think ang millennial men and Gen Z men are more mindful, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'm talking too soon, no? Pero
Sa Gen Z, baka di pa
sa
natin
information
yan
right
malaman
now,
Oo.
equal equity and equal rights are for women and men. Entirely different na.
But in our case, maraming men din talaga.
hindi,
pa sila,
dapat magaling tayong magturo sa partners natin.
One thing is turo, pero sometimes kahit turuan mo, hindi rin naman cooperative.
oo naman,
Hindi
oo
rin supportive. So, yun yung ma-advise ko, that you really have to choose your partner. After giving birth, here we are. Meron pa tayong menopause. They really have to be supportive and understanding of what we're going through because hindi naman natin ginusto this stage. Nangyayari lang talaga siya sa atin. And they're the ones that gets affected by it immediately.
And statistically
Right?
nga daw, a lot of separation
Yes.
happens in this stage. Oo.
Because nagkakaroon sila ng misunderstanding.
Miscommunication.
I remember a friend telling me that her husband is questioning if parang nagka-question na sa kanya kung if she's having an affair because of lack of sex.
Hindi, it's really physiological, mental. It's a lot of things. That's why, it greatly affects relationships. So,
That's why you
choosing
said,
a partner really
hence,
is important.
Exactly. So that would I advise. What advice can we give?
Masipag ang Gen X. You know why?
Oo.
Hindi
I
nga
know
natin,
why. Masipag ako
masipag tayo because we keep saying yes even if we don't know shit.
Uy, kasi pabibo tayo,
Pabibo,
ante.
masyado
We're
tayong...
the generation
At
na...
wala tayong Google na katulong na I'll figure it out. Parang sige na lang.
Correct.
We thrive on tama, mali. Kung di mali, di ito naman, tututo tayo that way, no? So
It's called grit.
grit. And I am very much an advocate of really pushing for grit. Actually,
So, okay yan. Gen X tayo. But we're not the stars anymore.
Yeah.
We're gonna be replaced by the millennials.
that's why I enjoy mentoring. I think you enjoy mentoring
Yes, I do
professionally
too.
also. Because millennial, not even millennial, Gen Z, the older Gen Z, they're brilliant people. If they want to be brilliant. If they want to be Kasi medyo, di ba sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, alam mo problema natin, napupusify natin yung mga generation ngayon with all the information, with all the conveniences.
Gusto ko yun. Pusify.
Napusify natin sila. Pero pag meron silang drive and grit, brilliant.
Ratchada sila.
Oo,
Correct.
oo. So it's just a matter of finding these kind of individuals and really empowering them. Na you have all this
Through
information
mentorship.
and conveniences to thrive in life.
But sometimes may conflict din, auntie.
Ano yun?
They don't straight out listen to what advice you give them. I've experienced that with my before. So you really have to know them individually. Hindi siya parang one size fits all sort of mentoring. Iba-iba, kahit sinabi mong, yun nga, as you said, may older millennial, may younger millennial. Iba-iba sila eh. May iba-iba silang set of skills, may iba-iba silang atake.
Oo.
So,
They want to be part of the
individual mo rin
conversation.
sila. I think sila ba yung generation na, I'm not sure, kung sila ba yung generation na during birthday parties, everybody gets a prize. You get a prize, you get a prize, everybody gets a prize.
Na naging mediocre na.
So, individual yung approach. So, ako, and I get to know each person talaga. Kahit na sabi mong of the same generation sila, iba-iba rin talaga yung kung paano mo sila
Mag-mentor, oo.
Hindi kagaya natin ng mga Gens. Pag sinabing, gawin mo yan, wala kang...
Because we are from the generation where the children are seen but not heard.
Sunod lang tayo ng
Sunod na sunod. Ngayon, the generation after us, they are part of the conversation.
Which is good din.
So, hindi ko na alam kung paano natin i-connect dito sa topic eh. Wala ako.
Nag-brain
Brain
fog
fog
na naman
ako.
siya. So, hindi. So, just, okay, babalik natin. Ano yung ma-share
Sa
natin
career.
sa young girl selves or sa young
Keep
listeners
saying
natin?
yes and then
Sa
figure
career.
it out.
Sa career.
Keep saying yes. Keep showing up.
Keep showing up.
Okay?
That's a good one.
And if
Yes.
you're tired, everyone's tired. Even if you love your job, it's gonna be shitty.
Correct.
Okay? But you're gonna earn money, right? And money is important.
Correct.
Sorry, I mean...
They're very actually practical.
They're very practical.
That's what I admire
Pero sa
about
akin,
them.
I tell this to my kids. Keep saying yes to the challenge and then figure it.
And showing up.
And
You're
keep
right.
showing up. You're tired? I'm tired too, but if
You're sad?
you're sad, there'll be more sadness. Don't worry. But it's okay to be sad na may pera kesa wala ka nang ang pera, malungkot ka pa.
Ay, oo nga. Agree.
Diba? So yun lang. Dear younger self, career-wise, always say yes to the challenge. And
Two things lang yan. It's either will make you or break you. So,
or no, teach you a lesson.
dun na lang tayo sa will make you a better person. Dun yun. So, and the money.
Yes.
Important ang
Kaya
money.
lang kasi ngayon napapansin ko, ilang araw po yung work from home?
Yun na yung first ano. Kasi nga nag-iba because of the
Oo,
pandemic.
siguro because of the pandemic, we understand that. Kasi sanay tayong hanggang linggo pa nagtatrabaho kami. Without pay.
Well, before the pandemic. Pero aminin mo, ante. Nai-enjoy na rin natin ang work
Na-enjoy
from
na ako.
home.
Sometimes, I don't need to show my face. Zoom na lang tayo.
Correct.
Because I don't wanna be...
Or
well, it's a
chat.
good thing, yeah. Pero
Diba?
kasi tayo, we earned it. Sorry
That's true
Cancel
naman
me
din.
again. We earned it. We earned it. I was from a generation where we literally age in the car. Driving from one meeting to another.
Oo nga. And
Literally,
parking.
tumatanda kami sa kotse. Looking for parking. Running from one
Agree.
meeting to another, event to another.
Walang
Diba?
zoom-zoom
So, pag
nun
sinabi
eh.
namin yun, we fucking earned it. Kayo, mapagod naman kayo kasi minsan, that discomfort will strengthen you.
That's true.
It's okay to be uncomfortable. And discomfort will make you stronger. Yun lang, Bao.
Well said.
Going back to what we wish we had when we were in our 20s. Ako, wala. Because even as a young mom, I enjoy growing up with my kids. However, as a young woman, I wish we had more access to better information about taking care and taking control of our personal health. Diba? It's too complicated to be a woman in itself eh. Diba? We, like you said, we have many stages, no? So sana yung information that, of course, it's not fair to expect from our mothers or grandmothers to teach us when they don't
Kasi
know.
baka hindi rin nila
Hindi
nga
nila alam,
alam.
I'm sure. Na,
And yun nga, yung stigma, yung shame na nilagay na nilabel sa perimenopause
Na-
and menopause, it's not something we talk about over dinner. Hindi siya
Hindi.
ganun eh. So, yun sana yung kind of relationship that we should have had with our parents. My mom died when she was 49. But sana yun yung medyo napag-usapan namin. Kasi I remember she was saying na parang hot flashes. So, pero hindi pa ako menopause, parang hindi pa siya menopause, pero hindi pa niya na-mention ano
see,
ba yung
hindi niya nga
stage
alam
na
yung
yan.
term din. Exactly.
Kaya, ganon. So, parang, but she's going through the symptoms. Looking back now, parang, yun pala yung nafe-feel ni at that time. Pero hindi namin pinag-uusapan because nga, baka may shame.
I guess.
So, yun yung gusto nating balikan
Balikan,
sana
oo.
na
'Cause I
we
remember
could have
now.
asked a lot of questions,
Yeah.
what they're going through, and maybe I'll go through that. Yung mga ganon. One thing is, it's important also to save up for your health because ang dami nating insurances but we're saving for tsugi na tayo, 'di ba? May mga insurances tayo sa ganyan. But when it comes to health, wala naman tayong masyadong, I don't know, hindi ako lumaking, oh, you save up for your health. Wala naman nagsabi sa akin, you save up for your health. Importante na may savings ka pala separately for your health. Kasi, ang dami nating supplements that we need to take.
And
as
it's
we
not
ma-
cheap.
manage-
It's not
cheap.
it's not
As we go
cheap.
through this stage. So, di ba, we talked about na paano yung mga who can't afford. That will
Exactly.
have to go through this stage no matter what. They can't afford to buy this
Evening
supplements. They go
primrose
to,
and magnesium glycinates.
exactly. And to go to an OB.
Yes. To
Paano
get
yun?
checked,
So,
exactly.
yun yung mga bagay na kailangan at gusto kong balikan na para, I should have saved pala. And maybe, yung mga younger ones that are listening to us, ganun din. Save up for that because this is going to happen to the millennial women or the next generations to come. Whether you like it or not, it's gonna happen.
I remember pala, sorry, my mom made mention about hormones and
Oh,
how it was demonized during her time.
Like, what do you mean by demonized?
That hormone replacement will give you cancer. Right now, there are a lot of, recently, there was a study already about hormone replacement therapy for women going through.
Sa'yo ko nga lang narinig yan
It's
eh.
not the
Oo.
end-all solution, ha? Because there are other, but hindi na as demonized ang HRT.
I think masyadong malaking topic din ng HRT that we'll have
And I think we'll have that when we have our
a professional,
or no,
on our
gynecologist,
next
yes.
episodes.
In the coming
Kasi
episodes.
sa'yo ko lang din narinig yan. So, I want to
Hormone
expound on
replacement
that
therapy, yeah.
in our next episodes.
Yes.
No? So, yeah. So, that's that for this
For this
episode.
Why is it important that we talk about this?
Oo nga, you're right.
Why
no?
do we wanna-
Salamin, reflection.
Why do we wanna have this reflection?
on the, it's good to reflect on the, parang reflect on the things na hindi natin nagawa or na access. We get to appreciate it sometimes. Kung ano yung mga reflections before, we get to appreciate it now. So, yung na-mention mo na yung access before, bakit ba wala nga ganun? Now, we're giving information to a lot of people. Para they don't have to be lost, to be
feel
in the
alone.
dark, or
To feel alone, yeah.
So, yun yung, I think, that's a
It's
good
a good,
advantage for that.
For me naman, why do we need this? I guess we all started this because we want that sense of, aside from passion project natin to, it's good to be reminded where we are now as women, as mothers, as family women, as wives, as friend, as
Sister.
a sister, as a worker, as an executive. It's good to know where we are, to have that sense of grace and gratitude that life is good. And looking back would remind us also na we don't live just for us eh. For me, it's all about also providing this simple information to young Filipino
So, naging
women.
advocacy na rin natin.
Siguro you can
Kahit
call it
papaano.
advocacy.
Yeah, so,
To advocate for ourselves.
for ourselves and for the women.
For the
like
women,
us.
generation after us.
Correct, correct.
So, thank you for this Salamin. I seriously enjoyed this topic.
Me too, yeah.
So-
that's great for us, and also that to realize that it's a privilege to live this
Long.
this long.
It's a blessing.
So for all the Gen X women na nandito na going
na
through
nakikinig
this,
mga classmate namin.
Oo, menopause, perimenopause.
Share nyo to, please lang.
Share nyo with your
Nakikita nyo ba tong...
sisters,
Yes.
with your girlfriends.
We are available in Spotify, YouTube, Insta, TikTok. Oh my God, nasa TikTok tayo.
Yes, of
And
course.
Facebook. And with that, we will see you in your next episode. And
Yes, this is your Auntie Belle.
your Auntie Karen.
This is
Auntie time!